Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is classify the following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. And the given polynomial is 7x to the power 3. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Here question has given us this polynomial. Here question has given us this polynomial 7x to the power 3. And question is asking us to identify if this is a linear polynomial or a quadratic polynomial or a cubic polynomial. We need to identify to which category this polynomial belongs to, whether this is a linear, quadratic or cubic. Now, in order to identify this polynomial, let us try to look into these definitions. A linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial. If you look here to the example 4x plus 5 t plus root 2 y minus 4. Here the degree of the variables are all 1. So these are all the examples of linear polynomial. Similarly, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. Now, a polynomial of degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. If you look here to these examples 4x to the power 2 plus 5, y to the power 2 minus 4, t to the power 2 plus t plus root 2. Here all the degrees of the variables are 2. The highest degree of the variables are 2. So this belongs to a quadratic polynomial. Now coming to cubic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3. A polynomial of degree 3 is called as a cubic polynomial. So if you look into these examples, 4x to the power 3, 5x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 2 plus 4x to the power 2 plus 5. Now, if you look this example, 4x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 2 plus 5, 6y to the power 3 minus y to the power 4, y to the power 3 minus 4. Here the highest power of the variables are 3. So this belongs to the cubic polynomial category. Now, after understanding the examples as well as the definitions, let us now try to identify to which polynomial this 7x to the power 3 belongs to. Here, the highest power of the variable is 3. That means definitely this belongs to a cubic polynomial. Because a polynomial of degree 3 is called as a cubic polynomial. So we can write, therefore, this given polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. You can answer this quickly within a minute. But guys, still if you have any questions on this, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.